So we buy two sets of salmon here, right? One we're gonna bake. So this portion here we're gonna fry. Real lemon juice, right? 100%.
Where this you know
This- Everything. That's a good thing about a fillet. You can eat through the whole thing. Really? Surely you can do it. Yeah? Doesn't fun. Like you gonna try this. Hi, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are having an amazing day. We're at Costco here in Bayonne, New Jersey. I'm looking for some piece of salmon. We want to do a salmon fry with plantain chips tonight, because tonight is movie night, yeah? So let's see if we can get some salmon. So this is salmon freezer. I think it's $10 per pound. You see that? $10 per pound. It's boneless and it's skinless, so it's perfect to fry. Yeah. So the good thing about shopping at Costco is that they have the gas station right there. Yes. Yeah, she's a guy. It's a good. So that's why we come here. We buy is the gas, affordable. And we buy the grocery right there. Right? Like I said, it's a bigger outlet. So Matai in Georgetown. Those of you who shop in Georgetown, thank you, subscribers. Keep watching. Diverse Supply. Show me the love and subscribe and share. All right. What happened there? Yeah. So this school on the left here is the #1 school, middle school in Jersey City. So we buy two sets of salmon here, right? One we're gonna bake, cut to season to bake, and one to season to fry. We came back late. It's almost 9 o'clock now. So we're not gonna do the plantain, but we're gonna do fried salmon with some bread or tennis roll, right? What we season it with is we have ground ginger here, ground paprika. It's paprika, of course garlic powder, and you gotta get your black pepper. All right, so let's get busy. It's a nice speed, right? I'll cover the side. So this portion here we can fry, or at least fry most of it.
You pull out the garbage?
Yeah. So let this to the skin. Wait, you gotta clean the skin.
Robin, could you put that thing in the sink?
Over here.
Wait, put them in the basin.
Real lemon juice, right? 100%. So mix it up. Of course, you can put the paprika. Was it the ground ginger? That's too much? Alright. Black pepper. to the dumplings. There's not enough, right? Yeah, give me some salt. Put it out there. So we already have everything set up. The oil warming up, getting hot. The salmon is here, ready seasoned, and we have the flour. You put the flour in. Well, the salmon goes into the flour, and then, guys.
Wait, this, you know,
This
your hand and duck it in the flour.
Oh yeah. So we turn she over. Thing looking good, boy. Just smell the richness here. No, you fry plantains in there. Bread, right? We're hit the bread tonight. Tastes good. If I could do it, surely you can do it. Yeah? Take another piece for you. So you know we can eat, guys, you can eat fried fish without sauce, right? Hot sauce or pepper. So we get hot sauce, mustard, ketchup in here, right? So this is fun. Like he gonna try this. You know, he's a fried fish man, too, right? He's a seaman. Golden brown. Be honest. You thinking, huh?
I would say that the fish, it tastes good, it's fried good, but the salt, the pepper, I think it gives it a much more
flavor. We're gonna eat together, right? Because most of the fish lovers, me and my father in the house, you know. So we enjoy this together, right? We're gonna enjoy this together. Look at this.
Indeed.
Got some pepper.
Yeah.
All right. This was our cheers, right? Because it's not a hard. It's a no like the days back,
Remember
right?
the young days when you see, you know, you might go and have a little enjoyment, and then you have some fish cutters, like, you know.
Fish cutters, that's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
But back then you guys used to have salmon, mostly bango, right?
The bango, mostly
Mostly
bango and
bango.
shark.
Okay. So this is upscale now, right? So we're gonna finish frying the set there. Eat this. Tonight is movie night. Like I said, I got help.
It is satisfactory.
Satisfactory, right?
Yeah.
So I want to wish you guys a good evening, an awesome evening. Hope you're having a meaningful and a responsible life, right? This is Ravi from the Divorce Sakai saying cheers. I want to wish everybody a good night until the next adventure. Okay? Good night.
Good night.